Unitus Therapy Intelligence includes a clock in and out feature that lets many users manually report the time they begin and end their work, creating an effective method for admins to track and monitor employee hours. To clock in, select your user icon in the top right corner of the screen. If your admin has not uploaded a picture in your profile for you, then this icon will be your initials. From the drop-down menu, select the Clock In button. The current date and time will pre-fill. If you wish to change it, type directly in the field or select the calendar icon. Select the Clock In button to save this date and time. You are now clocked in and will remain so until you manually clock yourself out, regardless if you are logged out of the UnitusTI application. To clock out, again select your user icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then select the Clock Out button. A reminder of the time you clocked in will be displayed. The current date and time pre-fills, and if you wish to change it, type directly in the field or select the calendar button. To finish, select the Clock Out button. User clock in and out records can be reviewed in two places in the Reports and Tracking menu area: the Sign In, Sign Out records and the Session Tracking report. In the Sign In, Sign Out records screen, select the tab called Clock In Out. Select the date range at the top of the screen to display check-in out times for that period. Admins can see the records for all users. If more than one name appears in the report and you wish to filter for one user, use the Search tab in the User ID column to display by username. The total hours clocked in are in the bottom right-hand column, and entries can be edited by selecting the pencil icon, using the calendar icon to change the date and time as needed, and then selecting the check mark to save. In the Session Tracking report, the tab labeled Code Tracking displays all system users and their clock-in records for the specified dates, as well as calendar events for the same time frame that have a service code linked to the event. As always, this functionality in UnitusTI is available based on your user security role. If you aren't able to do any of the tasks outlined in this video, check the Security Roles Guide in the Help Center to see if your role has the right permissions, or check with your account administrator.